When it comes to upgrading or replacing windows in your Loves Park home, the right style can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, energy efficiency, and functionality. With a variety of window styles to choose from, it's important to consider factors such as your home's architectural design, climate, and how much natural light or ventilation you want. In this article, we'll explore the best window styles for homes in Loves Park, helping you choose the perfect windows for your space. Double-hung windows. Timeless and versatile. Double-hung windows are one of the most popular window styles for homes in Loves Park. These windows consist of two sashes that slide vertically, allowing for both the top and bottom portions of the window to be opened. They are highly versatile and work well in virtually every style of home, from traditional to contemporary. Benefits. Ventilation. Double-hung windows allow for excellent airflow as both the upper and lower sashes can be opened to let fresh air in. Easy cleaning. Many modern double-hung windows come with a tilt-in feature, making it easy to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. Aesthetic appeal. Their classic design is perfect for homes with a traditional or colonial style, but they also work in modern and farmhouse homes. If you're looking for a timeless, easy-to-maintain window style, double-hung windows are a great choice for your Loves Park home. Casement windows. A modern touch. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward with a crank mechanism. This window style is ideal for homeowners looking for a modern look with increased ventilation and energy efficiency. Benefits. Superior ventilation. Casement windows open wide, allowing for maximum airflow. This makes them perfect for kitchens and living rooms, where fresh air is especially important. Energy efficiency. These windows seal tightly when closed, which helps to reduce drafts and improve insulation. This can lower your energy bills by preventing heated or cooled air from escaping. Clear views. The design of casement windows offers unobstructed views, making them great for rooms that face beautiful landscapes or gardens. Casement windows can bring a sleek, modern aesthetic to your Loves Park home, and their energy efficiency makes them a practical choice for maintaining comfort and cutting costs. Bay windows. Expanding space and light. If you're looking to add charm and extra space to your home, bay windows are an excellent choice. Bay windows typically consist of 3 panels, one large central panel flanked by 2 smaller side panels that are angled outward. This creates a small bay or nook inside your home, providing both extra space and a unique design element. Benefits. Natural light. Bay windows bring in an abundance of natural light, brightening up your space and making it feel more open and airy. Views. The extended shape of bay windows offers panoramic views of your outdoor surroundings, making them perfect for homes with scenic backyards or street views. Increased space. The extension of bay windows adds a small alcove inside your home that can be used for seating, storage, or a cozy reading nook. Bay windows are ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or kitchens where you want to create a cozy, bright space while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. Sliding windows. Space-saving and efficient. For homeowners who want to save space while maintaining ease of use, sliding windows are an excellent option. These windows open horizontally, with one panel sliding over the other. They are a great choice for modern homes or any space where you want to avoid the need for a window that swings outward or inward. Benefits. Space saving. Since sliding windows don't require extra space to open, they're perfect for areas where you want to save room, such as narrow hallways or smaller rooms. Low maintenance. Sliding windows have fewer moving parts, which means there's less wear and tear over time. They are easy to operate and maintain. Great for large openings. If you want to bring in plenty of light and air, large sliding windows are perfect for letting natural light into living rooms or kitchens. For a space-saving and low-maintenance option, sliding windows are a practical choice for many Loves Park homes. Picture windows. Maximizing natural light. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that do not open but offer unobstructed views of the outside. These windows are ideal for homeowners who want to highlight a particular view or simply let in more light. Benefits. Unobstructed views. Picture windows provide a clear, wide view of the outdoors, making them perfect for homes with beautiful landscaping, gardens, or panoramic vistas. Natural light. These windows allow an abundance of sunlight into your home, creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Energy efficiency. Picture windows are typically well insulated, helping to keep your home's energy consumption in check while still letting in plenty of natural light. If your home has stunning views or you want to add a dramatic element to a room, picture windows are the perfect choice. Garden windows. Adding charm and functionality. Garden windows are a great way to bring a touch of nature indoors. These small, projecting windows are often installed in kitchens or dining areas and can be used to grow plants or store decorative items. Benefits. Natural light for plants. Garden windows are perfect for growing small plants, herbs, or flowers, thanks to the extra light they bring into your home. Increased space. Similar to bay windows, garden windows extend outward, providing extra space inside that can be used for plants or small decorations. Aesthetic appeal. Garden windows bring a charming and functional element to your home, perfect for creating a cozy, nature-inspired atmosphere. Garden windows are especially popular in kitchens, where they offer extra space and sunlight for plants, while also enhancing the overall look of your home. Conclusion. Choosing the right window style for your Loves Park home. Choosing the best window style for your Loves Park home depends on your needs, aesthetic preferences, and the functional requirements of each room. From classic double-hung windows to modern casement and bay windows, there's a window style that can fit any home. When selecting windows, consider factors such as ventilation, energy efficiency, and the design of your home to ensure you choose the right option that complements your lifestyle. Upgrading your windows is an investment that can improve the comfort, style, and energy efficiency of your home for years to come. If you're ready to transform your living space with the perfect windows, contact a professional window installer in Loves Park to get started today.